So just what, y'all? Okay, so I just realized when you at the fight, you don't hear the people telling you what's going on, y'all. This quiet as shit up in here. And right now it is up. Logan is up 2-0 to Floyd because he ain't threw that many punches or whatever. All right, y'all, we just had a little change of events right quick. And Floyd has now won a round. All right, and the crowd goes wild. Count him. Y'all seen it? Floyd, we thank you for coming out today. Floyd, was that you at the strip club last night? Floyd, did you have a ding-a-ling on your head last night? You said, oh yeah. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. And we live at the Floyd Mayweather fight. And I got my girl right here so she can tell us a little bit on how she liked the fight.
Absolutely loved it. I would have never thought I would have had the opportunity to see Mayweather fight again.
Okay, my name is Ratchet Tracy. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ratchet Tracy. How did you like the fight tonight?
I mean, the fight was all cool though. Like, I feel that like Logan, like they in different like weight class, so it's different. But still, the fight was like alright.
Boring and disappointed.
And Floyd Mayweather, but I guess he is old and fighting
Not
a young
old.
cat. So I guess it was alright for him.
They should have had more rounds. That's what I feel like. I mean, it wasn't really all that though.
It wasn't all that. Okay, so he was ratchet for 5 minutes. Now y'all tell me this. Did y'all hear that Floyd had ding-a-ling on his head last night? At the strip club. Did y'all hear that the ding-a-ling fell out on his head? But I got one ratchet question to ask y'all. Can I ask y'all a ratchet question? Because I'm Ratchet Tracy. Okay. Did y'all hear that Floyd had ding-a-ling on his head last night?
No.
He went to the strip club and somebody was popping it on his head and the ding-a-ling head fell out.
Oh! I didn't hear that one.
Check the news. It came to y'all first from Ratchet Tracy. Now, did you hear that Floyd Mayweather had ding-a-ling on his head last night?
Oh, at the strip club.
Last night.
Oh, at the strip club.
At the strip club. She heard about it.
Fucking motherfucker. Bitch. I'm kill that motherfucker. When I catch you, motherfucker.
Heard about it.
Because I heard he doing the whole like back
Y'all, that was funny.
You know.
We was ratchet for 5 minutes, y'all.
No, it's alright.
It's